cookies and we're gonna decorate them. I bought some cookie decorating icing, and I'm gonna do it with my sister once she decides that I'm important enough to come hang out with me. So that's that. So for now it says to preheat the oven to 350, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I went to Target the other day and I was like walking around and trying to find different things that I could like possibly do for Vlogmas. So I got some cute little cookie cutters. Look at the Santa one. I'm so excited. I've never done this before. Sugar cookies usually aren't like my favorite thing on planet Earth, but for the holiday season, they will do for the holiday season. So we're gonna make some.
This is Christy unclassified.
Where's my knife?
She should just said, "Where's my knife?"
It says that it's okay to eat raw.
That's weird. So there's no egg?
Probably. You know, stop. They do not want ASMR.
Okay. Can't taste that.
Shut up. Go get the flour.
Why?
Because it says we have to mix flour into it.
That's really stupid.
So it said to need half a cup into the dough, but I'm not doing the full, using the full amount of dough. So I'm kind of just feeling it out. I know what it's supposed to feel like so that it's not like sticky. So I'm just creating my little ball and then sprinkling some flour on it. Me not trying to not get the floor dirty so my mom doesn't kill me.
Can I play?
I don't know, should we let her play? She had me waiting for like ever to film this.
Look, I'm from Euphoria. Taking it all for us.
Her like little star stamps are like her signature. Did you wash your hands?
Yes, they're clean.
Brisa, your hands do not look clean.
They're literally clean. Do these look like dirty hands to you guys?
I think they'd say yes. I think it's about ready.
What the heck, Christy? You're so fucked up.
You're the one that took forever to come help me.
Well, I have a life. Sorry.
I mean, she's not far from right. I don't really have a life.
Okay, let me.
Okay. Oh, me. She's very aggressive. So we have our little. All right.
Do I roll it to make it a ball?
Yeah, and then we gotta roll it out. But you gotta spray some.
Yeah, do it then.
Do you hear how rude she is to me? Like all the time.
Why do you wish you didn't try it?
Because it's so good. I want to keep eating it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I've had better. Okay, it's a ball now. Do I like tap like a ball?
Yeah, you gotta roll it out. Yeah.
With this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do I just start here?
Yeah.
Hey, this isn't as easy as I thought it would be.
You want to do it though.
Move!
Why don't you want me to move that out of the way?
It's a pizzeria.
Doing a magnificent job.
Can I start again?
No, you already got it. You really?
This is good. Is this good?
Yeah, I think that's good.
What do I do?
Push it in.
Can I do some of that?
I don't know. I've never done this before
Oh my
either.
God. And then.
Yeah, let me get the.
Shut up! That's wicked.
My sister's literally a mess.
Bitch, that's all you.
You heard it here first.
I want to do another one.
Okay.
This is Santa?
Yeah.
That food looks different. Ooh. Oh, stop.
Oh, it's because you. How is he?
Santa!
Oh, Santa looks cute. Okay, can I do one now? Yeah. I'm gonna do the shoe, the little stocking, the shoe. Who am I? It's like if I don't know Christmas. What did I do wrong? Ha! I got it. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Brisa!
What? It's a joke. You never seen the movies?
She's trying to be in a romantic comedy with me and sprinkle flour on my face. Here are cookies for popping them in the oven. The Santa has a little bit of an issue, but the Santa looks really cute. Honestly, the ones I did came out really cute, and the ones Brisa did are questionable. But I mean, that's fine. Payback sucks.
I did so little on you.
Sorry. Are you mad at me?
No, Christy.
Are you mad at me?
Stop! Go away!
Alright, so we're gonna pop those babies in the oven and then we're gonna let them cool and decorate them. Yay! So, as I said before, I've never made sugar cookies before. I've also never cut them out, never done that before. I am not a baker by any means. Oh dear Lord, that is not what I expected. Where's Santa? Brisa, come here. I mean, to be fair, we got one candy cane out of everything. That one, right there. You can tell that this one used to be a stocking. Santa just turned into a blob. Oh, I can't wait for my sister to see this.
What happened?
I don't
What did
know.
we do wrong?
I don't know. I think next time maybe we need to add more flour and make them thinner maybe. We tried. We're gonna do this again. So, a feeble attempt at a candy cane. Feeble attempt at a stocking. But I think Brisa did the best.
Santa.
Santa Claus.
Just see those sleigh bells